Hello, YouTube. I think YouTube is one of the most, or really the biggest revolution in field of learning and education. But it's very sad that YouTube also can be a disaster. You also can, destroy your life. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use YouTube properly to develop your communication, fluency, confidence in the right mindset. See, YouTube is a double-edged sword. You have to be very careful before using it. This video is for those who want to use YouTube to grow and not to fall. Hang on, stay with me. This video will be really a life changer for you. I'm sure this has helped me actually. It will help you as well. Come with me. I will take you with me. Let's start. Well, the first point, which is very, what I can say, paradoxical. And what I'm saying here is this: stop watching videos on English improvement on YouTube. You heard right. But the word is English improvement. I mean, I have seen people, what they do is they watch videos on English improvement. English is their focus. English means they think grammar videos. Now, if you're watching grammar videos, that's fine. If you want to improve your grammar, I don't want to belittle or criticize anyone. What I want to say is this: do not just keep on watching one channel after another channel on English speaking. Your English will not improve by watching English YouTube channels. Your English will improve by watching the right, proper channel where English is not taught, but English is used as a media to convey a message. Hope you're getting my point, okay? Well, if you see me, I haven't taught any English on my channel. I don't teach any sentence structures and grammar and all. I tell you how to use the different ways to develop your language. How to use different techniques, that is what I tell on my channel. Okay, so let's move forward now. Watch better videos with better content, interesting and helpful both. First, let us focus on interesting. See what happens. As I said, just going and watching videos on English speaking, how to speak this, how to speak that, it's not going to help you. You have to find out the right video which really interests you. That video should not be connected with English. That should be connected with everyday conversations, everyday life. English is used as a language there. So do not watch videos on English speaking. Watch those videos where English is used as a language to convey the message. Hope I'm making it simple. And those videos must be interesting, otherwise you will leave them. And they must be helpful also. Why they must be helpful? As I said before that, well, it's a platform where all kind of stuff is available for you. You have to decide which thumbnail you're going to tap on and go and watch that video. If it is not helpful, I think you are just adding some garbage, which I will talk about as we move forward. Use only easy videos first. Now, first word is very important. As if you are not that great in English, go and watch easy videos. I mean, easy, when I say easy, I mean Indian accent, easy accent. Even it can be a British or foreign accent, but it should be easy to understand. The speaker is easy to understand. The speed is not that fast, and the words which he uses should be average and easy to understand. This is what I mean by easy videos first. Now, once you get used to, slowly after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you can upgrade yourself. I watch now. I don't watch easy videos. I watch important videos which really are important for me. You can reach that level slowly. Now, the next point is engage two senses at the same time. Two senses, I mean ears and eyes. So when I say this, you have to on the subtitles or the transcript. Of course, all of you know how to on the subtitles. Transcript is also there. Now, transcript, at least I know. I mean, transcript is available. Again, I'm saying that go to those channels where English is not taught. I want to tell you, TED is a very good platform. Go to TED. There is one option over there, transcript, and that option is available for only desktops, not for mobile. If I'm wrong, correct me. At least that's what I feel like. I haven't checked it on mobile because I use my laptop whole day. I don't use much mobile. So that is the thing. But another option is that subtitles come there. So that will be another way. So using two senses at the same time will really engage you in the conversation. You will understand the conversation in a right way. You will get into that and you will enjoy. See, understand, you should enjoy the conversation. You should enjoy the videos. That's really important. And forget English, which I'll tell you at the end of the why I'm saying this. Many people, what they do is they pause the video, they write down the word, or they repeat the sentence again. Like, is this the natural way of developing a language? Are you developing physics or chemistry? Chemistry, physics can be done. I mean, how many sentences you're going to by heart and say it loudly? That's not going to work. So don't do this. Just watch and enjoy. Your brain has a mechanism, Broca's area, Wernicke's area, the language centers will take care of your language. You forcibly don't try to develop your language. Stop watching crap. I mean, as I said, like garbage in and garbage out. Garbage in, garbage will be out. Be a watchman at the door of your mind. What you are feeding your mind, be careful about that. I mean, as I said, YouTube is full with crap, full with junk. Are you going to put all the junk here? A thumbnail comes, you tap on that, watch the funny dog, then this person killed that person. Look at the fastest train in the world. Look, the flying dinosaurs. Come on, your time is very valuable. Your life is very valuable. Stop wasting your life. Stop wasting your time. Both are same. Wasting of time is wasting of life. So be very selective. Do not give your even 5 minutes of your life to any stupid, useless video. Be careful about that. Your life is very precious. Don't watch a crap. Okay, make it a ritual and not study. Now, what I mean to say is this. See, what happens is English is like study. We study it. Okay, I have to study English. No, it is in school and colleges. You are not here to study English. You are here to develop the rituals, the system. English will follow you. You are not. See, it's like studies for 2 months. Okay, my exam is there for 4 months, 6 months, 1 year. And you by heart everything, write down the formula. Language cannot be by hearted. It cannot be put in formulas. Your brain will absorb it and it will speak it. See, the English which I'm speaking, it's not by hearted English. It's just a normal English which everyone talks, and I haven't written down anything. It is just coming out of my mouth naturally. So don't do that, dear friends. You can't just go and study it. It's a ritual. It's a habit. So next time, whenever you are tired, use YouTube to refresh yourself, watching a nice positive English video. While watching that video, you should feel happy, you should enjoy, you should laugh also. English will follow you. Don't think about English. Don't think about English. English will follow you. But if you think about English, it will be a result-oriented approach and it will be a disaster. So don't do that. Thank you for watching my video. It was a pleasure for me to be with you. And one most important thing, you gave me your 5 to 10 minutes out of your life to me. I'm so glad, I'm humbled that you gave me your time. But I have a lot of value, respect for your time. I gave my best here. Hope I haven't wasted your time. Okay? I will try again to make better videos so that I can help you to be a better communicator, live an emotionally stable life. Before I end, as I said, emotionally stable, my podcast is there where I talk about emotional personality and problems and all. I can't do all the videos only on emotional personality here because a lot of things are there, a lot of things I have to say. So you can go to my podcast. Links are given always here. You can do that. Take care, friends. Bye-bye. Namaste to you. Thank you.